gorgeous people, welcome back to the channel. Eris here. Today I am doing a video tutorial sharing some of the recent products I purchased from the lip bar. So if you are interested and would like to know how these products work out, what are my thoughts, then keep watching. Let's get started. I had the opportunity a while ago to purchase some products from the lip bar, and it was just two lipsticks that I ordered. Two lipsticks and a lip gloss I believe I ordered from them. They were really nice. I enjoyed them, but I decided that, I kept hearing about this fast face kit and whatnot, and I'm like, I'll, spend the money and give it a try. I got the Fast Face foundation and the concealer as well as the duo brush. I did already use the brush and some of this. I did a swatch of this, so that's why it's dirty. But we're gonna go ahead and get started using these products today. I also bought two lipsticks from them. They're liquid lipsticks. I bought Hot Mama and Rebel, I believe is the other I bought from their brand. I did not buy their eyeshadows or anything else that they sell. I wanted to start here first, see how I like these products, and then purchase other products. So every time, Black Friday comes around, it's always really good to support a Black-owned business. I mean, support them anyway, but especially on Black Friday. And this is the company that I decided to support, or one of them that I decided to support and purchase some of their products. I was a bit concerned because, of course, with COVID, we can't try on foundations and know what's our shade, and we're just trying to find that out by looking online, which online, the shades look totally different than when you get them. But they did have one of those matching systems where they'll match you to a shade that you currently use of another product. So I did that, and this one was actually a really good match. So good job the lip bar on that, because I did swatch it and it's a really good match. The shade that I have is 403, and I think it said I was in the cinnamon family. They have everything kind of categorized by shades, and the concealer is cinnamon, and this is the concealer that they recommended when I purchased, or when I selected this, they recommended this concealer. So we're gonna try both of these together today and see how they were to use it and swatch with it. This is just a nice little brush to have here, and you just simply push this up and the product pushes up through the brush, and then you put it on. Another thing that I really like about the lip bar is that they are vegan, cruelty free. So I do appreciate that. If you don't know, you will find out soon that I am on a health journey. So right now I am vegetarian, not yet considering myself a vegan, because there are some dairy products that I just can't live without, and that is cheese. So hopefully I'll be able to find a cheese that I like, and then I can officially consider myself a vegan. But for right now, I'm just vegetarian. I do use a brush when I put my foundation on. However, I'm a little confused with how to use this one, because I'm like, do I buff it in? Because I'm normally just a kind of a pat it on. So I'm a little lost on how to exactly use it. Are you supposed to use it like this? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of pat it in like this. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go in with the brush and kind of blend it out. I like the brush, like a bigger brush. I mean, I get what they wanted to do with this, because it's just supposed to be really fast, but brush is a little small for me. So the foundation is definitely light coverage. You can definitely, I guess, add more if you need to, but it does feel very light on my skin. So I'm really liking that. If you like heavy coverage, you want to add more of this product. Like, I didn't color correct, so there are some areas that if I were to just wear this, I would need to color correct. But if you're one of those people, again, fast face, then you don't have blemishes and whatnot, then you can definitely just use this. mean, what do you guys think about the match? Like, I think it looks really, really good. A really good match for my skin. Next, I'm going in with the concealer. Once again, this is Cinnamon, and this is Quick Conceal. It's called Caffeine Concealer. Fast, easy to use, convenient. Alright, so it has a little wand here, which is really nice to have. I'm just gonna add it under the eye. So I have yet to find a concealer that is that's giving Maybelline a run for its money, because that Maybelline Age Rewind is like favorite. So we'll see how this one does. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here and blend that out. I do think that the shade is very good. Blends out really well. I might go a little bit lighter with it though, as far as the shade. This is like a everyday, like natural, quick, you know, of course, yes, this is going to be the shade that's perfect for that. But I want a little, I think I want to go a little bit lighter, possibly, we'll see. Okay, so all that's blended out. Again, doesn't feel heavy or anything like that. It blended out really well. I would say the consistency was really good. It wasn't too thick and it wasn't too thin. So great job. The lip bar. I want to go a little bit lighter, so I'm going to add a little bit more concealer on. Going with a little bit of Warm Honey. And this is from LA Girl. Just a little bit. I want to be slightly brighter under here. Okay, so yeah, that worked. That was good. I like this. You may not be able to tell the difference, but I can definitely tell the difference. I like to be a little bit lighter, so no shade. I mean, I would just get a lighter shade. I mean, this is a good product. I would just get probably a little bit of a lighter shade with that, but this is perfectly fine for everyday wear. So now let's go in and set the face, those highlighted areas, and I'm going to use, you know, my old faithful Danessa Myricks Evolution 3 powder. And we're going to use this to set. I'm not going to mix it today. Just going to go straight in with that powder. That Danessa Myricks powder is, I'm telling you, you need to get it. You need to get this Danessa Myricks. I don't know what you're waiting on. It's really good. I love it. So let's go ahead and bronze. Y'all know I don't do much contouring. I'm gonna go in bronze. So I'm gonna use the, what's this? This is L'Oreal True Match, the Soft Sable. Because I still want a fast face, right? The goal is to do this quickly, get enough coverage that you're satisfied for, you know, for your day. Add a little bit down here, and I'm just using the same brush. The brush is really nice. Like, it's very durable. It doesn't feel like, you know, some cheap brush. It's definitely a durable brush. Wow, can't talk. So for the eyes, I'm going to use Tarte Tan Sand as a eyelid primer. I like using this as a primer for my eyelids because it dries very matte, and it's a pretty thick product, so it does really well as a lid primer for me. And I like to use the lighter color because it's going to allow whatever shade I put on my lid to show up a lot brighter. I'm going to keep this eye look very natural because I'm going to be doing a lip haul of red lipsticks. So once I have that recorded and uploaded, I'll be sure and tag it here. But I'm going to be trying on different red lipsticks for the holidays. So once again, this dries really matte. There's no need to set it or anything. But I am going to let it dry a little bit. So while that's drying, I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. For blush, I'm going to use this from NYX. It's called Mocha. This is Mocha from NYX blush.
I had the phones yesterday.
I did let you have the phones yesterday. You had it for 3 hours yesterday.
But then you said no at nap time. That's why I threw them out there. So I came here.
No, you cannot get the phones right now. No.
Oh, right.
Not right now. Now let's move back to the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to take that same brush that I used when I applied that concealer to my eyes, that Tarte. I'm going to use that same brush. And I'm going to be using, you already know, one of my favorites, the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the Jackie Aina palette. And I'm going to be using this palette today. Again, I'm just doing something really nice and simple. So I'm going to go in with ginger here, and I'm going to pack this into my crease. And I'm getting right in there like this. And I'm using this big brush because I really just want this to cover all that lid space from the crease up. Not trying to be like super precise with it. So I'm using this big brush because I want a lot of coverage in there. Next, I'm going in with Edges, this shade right here, and I'm going to pack this all over my lid. I'm doing a really simple look today. So now that I have that in there, I'm going to go back with this brush, and no product on it, but I'm just going to kind of lightly blend this out. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm kind of turning my brush from flat to on its side, and I'm going into the crease like this. And just windshield wipering it. Okay, that's it. Told you I'm doing a really simple eye look. I may add a little bit more of that color onto the lid because I did lose some of it, but other than that, you guys, this is it. Now I'm going to add my lashes, and I'm going to do the other eye over here, and then I'll be back. Alright, so eyes are done. If you would like to see how to put on your strip eyelashes, I do have a detailed video, which I'll link it up here somewhere. It's going to give you like extreme details on how to apply strip lashes. I also have a strip lash line. If you're interested, that information is in the description box below. Let's go ahead and finish off the eye. So today I'm going to be using a brown eyeliner pencil, and this is from NYX. I'm going to use this in my waterline as well as smoking out underneath my lash line. I'm going to take a small angled brush and kind of smudge that out a bit. I'm going to go in with some mascara, and I'm using the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. Before we go and apply lips, I'm going to spray my face and set it. I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Boss Lady, and it is, as you can see, from the lip bar. Let's go ahead and try this one on. This is a very pretty color. I really like it. This one is a very pretty color. Definitely, I would say perfect for fall and winter. It's more on the burgundy side, but it's a definite red family color that would be perfect for the holidays. So this one again is Boss Lady, and it is from the Lip Bar. These do dry very matte and stain, so let's see, hope I can get this off. So this is in the shade Hot Mama, also from the Lip Bar. Now this one is red. Okay, so here it is, Hot Mama. This is a definite red lipstick. You definitely want to take your time when it comes to applying the Lip Bar's lipsticks because they do dry pretty fast. So you want to make sure you kind of get a good layer on there and get it exactly where you want it to before it dries. You want to line your lips up with like some type of pencil to clean up with a concealer, but this one is a really nice red. It is definitely red, so I do enjoy that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, let me know. Hope you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.